Today's quick video will be on Cochrane. Cochrane is an internationally respected organization whose mission is to promote evidence-informed health decision-making by producing high-quality, relevant, accessible systematic reviews and other synthesized research evidence. It's a key part of the systematic review process. Cochrane Library is their research portal. It's a key part of the systematic review process and gives you access to already completed systematic reviews, clinical trials, and point of contact clinical answers. You're able to browse all of these. However, as we know, sometimes you just need to get right to what you're looking for. The Cochrane Library operates much like other databases with the same controlled vocabulary as PubMed. Also, like PubMed, you will most likely be completing complicated searches, but those will be addressed in another video. You're able to keyword search on the main page or at the top of any of the subpages, but these should only be used for simple searches. The advanced search is where you want to complete any searches that aren't just single word. So here you can see a remnant of one of my previous searches because Cochrane, if you are signed in, will remember your searches. You can actually save your searches. So much like PubMed, if you need to rerun something to see if anything's changed since the last time you searched it, it's able to save your searches exactly so you don't have to remember them. So it's a good idea to create an account with the website. It's a very simple process, just like PubMed, and you're able to get free access to everything if you are logging in with your USF information. So, as we can see here, this has held our previous search, cancer and neoplasm, which we discussed previously was the mesh term. So once we put this in, we can send it to your search manager. You can see it has results. And it is given some additional searchings, the title, the abstract, and the keyword. This will also be addressed more in the more complicated search video. So here we're going to go in and do the next part. So in this case, we are only interested in colon cancer. In this case, we're going to stick specifically to colon. We can expand it. You will want to expand it using additional search terms. In this case, we're going to strictly stick with colon, the single word, and we will send this to the search manager. This is where it differs from PubMed, because in PubMed, you remember we were able to put them together. Here, you will manually have to type. So we'll do number 1, which is our cancer neoplasm section, and number 2, which is the colon. So we are looking for places where colon and cancer show up together. Then you simply select continue. This will be where we access our results page. This is where you can save if you need to. Hit save. And here are our results. On the left-hand side, we have some additional search limiters. So you will want to limit by publication date. One of the really neat things in Cochrane is they actually have a section for conclusions changed, where the systematic review and the research was revisited, the data was rerun, something has changed significantly, so they've reapplied it, and they make sure that they notate that. So people who made previous choices based on the article before the conclusions changed are able to fix it. You're able to limit by type, so diagnostic, intervention, and further down some additional topics. As you can see here, the first page we land on are actual Cochrane reviews. If you are logging in through USF's network, you are able to see the full PDF of the article and find the citation information. Here you can see some Cochrane protocols, trial results, an editorial. Occasionally there will be special collections for your topic. In this case, we don't have one. And then clinical answers. These are the point of contact answers. that might be very helpful. Usually there is a link out to another set of reviews. It's a great resource to expand it, but remember you're going to want to have to document your searches in there as well. This has been an introduction to the very basics of Cochrane Library.